Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa and Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid called on Prime Minister Imran Khan. Reports said that the civil and military leadership discussed internal law and order situation in the country, besides touching on regional security situation. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has arrived in Iran's capital to attend the second ministerial meeting of Afghanistan's close neighbors. Pakistan and China have agreed to further strengthen bilateral economic and commercial ties, including full realization of the potential offered by the Phase 2 of the China-Pakistan Free Trade Agreement. The petrol price is expected to increase by ₹7 per litre from November 1. However, the diesel price is likely to increase up to ₹9 per litre. Fluctuations in imported oil prices during the next 5 days will determine the final price. Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan highlighted the need for betterment ties with India, but said it is not a good time for such a conversation, referring to Pakistan's emphatic win against the latter in the T20 World Cup. The Taliban greeted the Afghan cricket team after they thrashed Scotland by 130 runs in the Super 12 stage of the ongoing T20 World Cup. The same Pakistani squad which humiliated India yesterday are set to take on the New Zealand. Pakistan today recorded 6 COVID-19 deaths and 572 new cases during the last 24 hours. That's all from today's studio. Keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.